Hi guys, how you doing? It's Stephen here from James Glenn Car Sales, and I would love to show you around our 2014 BMW F11 520 diesel M Sport Touring. Quite a mouthful, but that's its official title. Couple of highlights on this particular car. It's one owner from new, it's an LCI model, and I'm sure you'll agree by the time we got to the end of the video, it is in quite outstanding condition. So anyway, I'll move out the way and show you around. So I'll take a wee sweep round the front of the car. First of all, this is where we usually pick up the majority of the commensurate wear and tear, especially on a car that's done a wee bit of mileage. But I'm delighted to report that short of some stone chipping along the front leading edge of the bumper, by and large it's in excellent condition for its miles. In fact, it's just in excellent condition in general. No swirling in the paint, all the cars are detailed here. That being said, this car did come in very, very, very good order. Real credit to its only owner. We're on a matching set of Goodyear tyres. All the wheels are free from damage, and if you can see in there, we have fitted a new set of discs and pads. Paintwork is free from any scratches or dents. In fact, there is one small dent that we weren't able to remove, but I will show you that through the course of the video. All the cars are freshly MOT'd regardless of how long remains on the car's current MOT. For example, it could have been MOT'd the day before purchase or the day before it was part exchanged, and we will renew it again as part of our pre-sale process. We'd just like to know who's MOT'd it and to what standard. Again, another nice clean alloy wheel with no damage, and I'll show you this small parking dent in a second. And see if you can get it picked up on the camera. So it is just there. This is a really, really tough panel, which is almost impossible to gain access or use the glue pull kit. Load liner in the back, some service history. That's just the registration plate as we've fitted the display plate at the front. We've got power tailgate, which, to be fair, is standard on all BMW Tourings. On the inside, because it's an LCI, we do have the rather lovely newer M Sport steering wheel with a nice slender spokes. This is one of my favourite steering wheels, to be honest. Like, they've just got it absolutely perfect. Nice clear dials there. We've got a set of factory overmats and partially electric seats. So you move the seat back and forward manually, and then you've got height adjustment there, and then that's your backrest. The leather's just beginning to delaminate just down there. Well, it's not ever so slightly, it is. But the base of the seat, the backrest and the bolster, a wee bit of grazing there, but again, you know, just to let you see what the overall distance covered. This car is on 73,304 miles, so no shame to it if it's beginning to show a little bit of wear just on the entry points in the driver's side. Oh, may as well, that door's open, just let you have a wee look at the driver's door card. Again, a couple of witness marks just in here where it's been getting opened and closed over the years, but no excessive touch point wear on the door card or on the armrest. Door card free of damage, back bench, all in great shape, no dents from baby seats, for example. Carpet's all in good order. Sorry gents, you should excuse me, we've got the jet wash in the background. This is a rather busy area in the garage. Everything happens here between valeting and photographing. Again, just back seat from this angle, just to show that there's no damage or wear on the leather. And the door card again is good shape. And finally in through the driver's, pardon me, not getting my sides right here, through the passenger side, everything is all as it should. We've got two keys with the car. It does have a full service history as well. As you'd expect, I mean, a car that's on matching Goodyears, it's not surprised that it's been serviced properly as well. Got heated seats on the front. Options include 19-inch wheels, the heated seats, and it also has xenon headlights, rear tinted glass towards the back. And I think that is just about us, guys. I will put the link to the car in the description below. If you'd like any assistance with the car, my name is Stephen. Feel free to contact the garage on 01236 779,000. Bit of background about who we are. James Glenn Car Sales was established in 1982. We go for quite some time, so we must be doing something right. We take part exchange, obviously. We do offer finance. On a car of this age, we'll be looking at hire purchase up to a 60-month term. If you would like to reserve the car, that can also be done via the website. There is a reserve button, and the reservation fee is $199. Thank you very much for making it to the end of the video, and look forward to discussing the 5 Series or your own part exchange in due course. Thanks very much.